Hey everyone, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. Today is a busy day. Bryant, this is Friday right now. I don't know when you're watching this, but this is Friday for me. Tomorrow we have a ladies' conference at church, and Bryant is so sweet. He has offered to cook the ladies' lunch. He wanted to offer a salad. This is a busy weekend for him. He not only has the ladies' conference tomorrow, he has a wedding tomorrow that he's doing. He has the rehearsal tonight. He's feeding the football team tonight or this afternoon. Let's see what else. Oh, it is the homecoming game at our local high school, and he goes and supports all the kids that are in the team that go to our church and just the team in general. It is my high school, and it is the local high school to our church. So he's going to that. He's got the rehearsal tonight. He has the ladies conference tomorrow. Oh, the worship team is playing for the ladies conference in the morning, and he's on the worship team. So it's a busy weekend. So he wanted to offer the ladies, he's going to fix like chicken wraps, like buffalo chicken wraps, fajita chicken wraps. And there was one more. Buffalo, fajita, and maybe Italian. I can't remember. But anyway, he wanted to also offer a broccoli salad. So I told him, well, the least I can do is put that together for you. So we went to Aldi and got several packs of these little broccoli heads. So I'm going to start chopping them up, and we'll make the sauce. I need to kind of measure how much broccoli I have before I make the sauce, so I know how many times to multiply the recipe. So with that being said, I'm going to get started on chopping this broccoli. And I'll show you how I chop it.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is...
Okay, so I'm just here, and I'm really just cutting the broccoli pieces into small little pieces like that. I don't really need the big stem, although I will save that. That can go in my vegetable broth. And I'll just freeze it till I'm ready to make vegetable broth. So I'll set that aside. And if they come off in like big little bunches like that, I just come in here and split them apart. All right, and I'm going to do this like in 5-cup batches, or that's how I know how many times to multiply the recipe per every 5 cups of broccoli. So I'm just going to do this. It's going to take me a while. I will do this, and I'll get back with you guys in just a little bit. And I'm just going to keep chopping. Okay, everybody, I've actually got this. I have plenty more in the refrigerator, but this is 4 times the recipe, and I don't know that I have all the ingredients for the rest of it. So 1 calls for 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. So times 4, that's 3 cups, I hope. Anyway, it is 3 cups. So I'm going to scoop out 3 cups of mayonnaise, and yeah, I'll bring you back when I get that done. Now to the next ingredient. We need 1/4 cup of sour cream. I'm multiplying times 4, so I need a cup of sour cream. I'm mixing the dressing over here. I need to go get some pecans and get them chopped and toasting a little bit. So I'm actually going to go do that really quick. I actually forgot the pecans that I needed to do that. So let me run get some pecans, get them toasting up. I'm going to get just a little more sour cream in there. And we'll be back for the next step. I know this is kind of crazy, but I'm doing this step by step because I'm having to add and make sure I've got enough of everything. So, all right, let me go get the pecans. I'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, everyone, I am just going to add in my ingredients. I will leave you the actual original recipe amounts down in the description. I don't have enough of everything, and so I'm just kind of eyeballing it. So right now I'm throwing in 1 onion finely chopped. I've got the pecans toasting, and those onions are burning my eyes. The pecans are toasting on the oven, and I'm going to get out crasins. You can use raisins, but I'm going to get out some crasins and some bacon bits. Yeah, so I'll bring you back in just a little bit. All right, so now we need some vinegar. My recipe calls for white wine vinegar, but I've seen some call for red wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar. It doesn't matter, just any kind of vinegar that you've got. And like I said, don't count how many times I'm doing it because I will leave the actual recipe down below. All right, now I'm getting out the sugar. Okay, everybody, I just put in the sugar into my mayonnaise and sour cream mixture. And of course, you saw me do the vinegar. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. And remember, I'm 4 times in the recipe, so if it looks like a lot, that's why. All right, so let me give this a stir. And I've got just a couple more ingredients, 3 actually, to go into our broccoli. I've got onions and broccoli in here. We're going to add in pecans, cheese, cranberries, and bacon. That's 4. We got 4 more to go. All right, guys, I'm going to set this aside and just grab some bacon bits. I have, you can by all means use home fried bacon crumbled up, but I didn't have time to do that. So, store-bought bacon, store-bought crasins. I know I don't have enough based on the recipe, so I'm just going to throw what I have in there. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of the pecans that I've just toasted up. I may need to add some more onion, but we'll see. Let me grab a big spoon. May need to send out for more crasins and bacon. Okay, so let me grab the cheese. That's the last thing, and then we'll put our cream sauce mixture over the broccoli. All right, going in with my last cup of cheese. It was 1 cup per recipe, and y'all know I did 4, so I have put 4 cups in here. All right, now in with the good stuff. And then after you get it all mixed up, you're going to let it sit for a little while. And you want to taste it and see what it needs. It may need more onion. I may need to go get some more crasins and bacon. May need a little more vinegar, salt and pepper. Always taste your food so you know what it needs. Especially if you don't have all the ingredients. Alright guys, I'm going to stir this up. And we'll be back for the taste test in just a minute. Y'all about let me forget to add in the pecans. I'm telling you. I'm crazy. So, alright, we're going in with 2 cups of these toasted pecans. Ooh, there's a shell. Okay, let me stir that up. You need good arm muscles to stir this salad together. Wouldn't have been so bad if I'd have tossed them in to begin with. And y'all, I know I said let it set, but this looks so good. I'm going to have to give it a taste. I'm going to sprinkle just a few more pecans right here on top. Let me grab a spoon. Actually, I'm grabbing a fork. Let me scrape everything off of here. All right. Okay, guys, I'm coming over to you. Oh my goodness. And y'all, this gets better as it sits. The longer it sits, the better it gets. So now I've got to make room for it in my refrigerator. Y'all see my ham that I'm not going to get to eat? I laid the ham out and forgot I wasn't going to be here. So I told the kids they had supper if they wanted to come get a ham. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up, cover it up and get it out in the refrigerator. And I'll have Bryant taste it for you before I upload this video. But anyway, thanks for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife, and we'll be right back when Bryant gives this a taste test. Hey everyone, welcome to The Farming Pastor's Wife. We're just laughing because I've said some crazy stuff today, and it's just funny. Anyway, I did not film him tasting the broccoli salad.
What's the deal?
But he did taste it.
It's phenomenal.
And I wanted him to give you his thoughts on it and tell you how it went over at the ladies' conference.
It was a hit. There was just a very little bit left. The ladies loved it.
And y'all, I did 20 cups of broccoli, so I quadrupled my recipe.
And I like the
Crasins.
The crasins, not the raisins.
He'd rather have the cranberries than the raisins, so that's what we put in there.
Personal preference.
Yep, and I prefer it too. I prefer that over raisins. So, but anyway, it's so good. I hope you try it. I wanted to get his thoughts on it before I finish up this video and get it out to you guys. So, y'all pray for me. I'm saying crazy stuff today.
Tell them what you said.
Well, it was the Doritos bag, and it said Doritos roulette, and I said Domino's roulette. Like, where did I even come up with Domino's? And then when I was talking to him about doing the video for the broccoli salad, I called it a broccoli casserole. Anyway, it just struck me funny that I've said everything wrong today. But anyway, I'm backwards today. So I will see you guys next time on The Farming Pastor's Wife. And remember, the grease is hot enough. You can fry anything. Bye, y'all.